class! Today we will talk about the O-I sound. O-I. As you can see in the picture, there's a ship and a person calling out to the ship. We're going to be the person calling out to the ship. So cup your hands around your mouth and shout, Oi! Oi! Ship ahoy! Again, Oi! Ship ahoy! Well done. So our first word is O-I-L. O-I-L for oil. Oil. We use oil for cooking and we use oil for cars, but it's not the same oil. Second word, C-O-I-N. C-O-I-N. Coin. Coin. Coins are a form of money, and they're usually for cents or $1 or $2. Next word, P-O-I-N-T. P-O-I-N-T. Point. Point. It's rude to point. Next word, B-O-I-L. B-O-I-L. Be careful on the stove when there's water cooking. It might come to a boil and you can burn yourself. Boil. Next word, J-O-I-N. J-O-I-N. Join. Join. Let's join hands and make a circle. Well done.